Hey guys, welcome back. I know that you're very excited for spring break, but I do have one thing I need to show you before spring break gets started. We will be doing EOC practice, and that will be outside of class. Okay, after spring break we'll start on Unit 6, but you're going to have to do some EOC on your own. So what I'm going to do today is the sub is going to pass out your EOC notes, and those notes I have done for you, and they are beautiful, and it's what you see here. So there are 6 pages of it. There is one of middle school stuff, and this is what we did basically in our Unit 1. And some must know, these are key features, this is all of this. Okay, and then you have linear and inequalities, so this is Unit 2. And then you have more of those. Then on this other side for this 3rd page, so it's front, back, but you have quadratics, and this was our Unit 4. And this is all of it. It's graphing, it's factoring, it's diamond method, grouping, how do you solve? This was our 2nd test right here. It's quadratic formula, it's all of that stuff. Okay, then you have our Unit 3, which was exponentials. And then this last one, the Unit 5, we just took a test on yesterday, and that is our data. Now, these grades for this data unit will not be going in until over spring break. I have not graded them yet, but here is all of your data notes that you need to know and all the important stuff. So you are welcome, and I am glad that you're going to use this and look over this and make note cards, whatever you need to. Now, that being said, on its learning, you will find all of the ways you're going to get a grade on EOC. So let's go to its learning. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to courses, we're going to go to algebra. Once you're in the algebra folder, you're going to scroll down here to the EOC review folder. Okay, right now you don't even see Unit 6, but the EOC you can see. So when you click on that, the in-class notes, okay, that is what I just gave you. That's the EOC notes I just gave you, so if you lose it, you can print it. Notice, all of this will be done on your own time, outside of class. That's everything that you're going through. Okay, in a minute, once I've done this video, it's going to be posted right here, so if you want to go back and look at it. So, going back to the folder, we have our formula sheets and study guides. The formula sheet is that blue sheet that we have been using all year long. The EOC quizzes, this will be in the gradebook. We've not decided if it's going to be 2 quizzes, or if it's going to be half a summative, or if it's going to be a summative. So we're not sure if it's a quiz or a test yet, but let me show you what's in here. You have 10 quizzes, 10 questions apiece. That is 100 questions. Are we saying that 100 questions is 100 points on a test or a quiz or whatever we're doing? We're not sure yet. Okay, so let's go back to the folder. So again, you have your formula sheets if you need it. This is their grade, the quiz. There are 10 of those. These milestone tests. Now, these are a little bit different. There are 3 of them, and this is what the state gave out, saying these are excellent practice problems. So what I'm going to do is if you attempt it, I'm going to give you a bonus point on your summative grade. So whatever your summative is, I'll add a point to your lowest test grade just for attempting it. If you make a C or a B, you're going to get 2 bonus points. If you make an A, you get 3 bonus points. So notice, you have a milestone 1. If you make an A, that is 3. Milestone 2, make an A, that is another 3. Milestone 3, if you make an A, that is an additional 3. Notice that is 9 possible points towards a summative grade that you can add to it. Okay, so again, these milestones are not mandatory, but they are bonus points. The quizzes, though, are mandatory, so you have to be working on those. The constructed response, I'm not going to do any points for that, but those are some good ones where you can go through, and some of these are hard, I'll tell you that. But the constructed response it's just good stuff to work through, and it's good problems. But there are 3 of those. And all of this will be graded for you immediately, so you'll be able to see your grade. There is a practice test. Okay, so depending on timing, depending on how well we get done with Unit 6, you may be working on that inside of class, you may want to work on that outside of class. I personally think that practice test it's kind of like the milestones, that it's very good. It's a good practice, and it's a good thing to work on. But any of this, if you have questions over, you're welcome to ask the sub or Miss Murphy. But this is you. All of this is you. So again, the in-class notes kind of breaks it down. It tells you that the quizzes, those are going to be a grade. Okay, it's outside of class. You're not going to have inside of class time. So if you don't have internet at home, you need to figure out, it's the library, it's IFs, it's whatever it is between now and then. Anyway, this is that. I'm sorry I'm not here. I've had my baby early, but enjoy and be good for yourself. Look through your notes, start your EOC stuff. Thanks.